Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Location Middlesbrough. So I saw this Middlesbrough Arts Weekender online and I was like, this will be a nice one to come around. Moreover, I've been thinking of visiting this beautiful city, but I've always been postponing it. So I was like, this will be a good opportunity to go and see what Middlesbrough really looks like, you know. So the artwork are displayed in different places all over the city, and I'll be walking around checking out one by one. So there are a lot of them. I don't know if I'll be able to visit all of them. So if you're a lover of arts and creativity, then come with me. So there are supposed to be 2 spots at the train station, but I can't find any of them. So I'm just walking around to the next one. There are a lot of them all over the city. Here's another one. Hiya.
You shall have a berry on our little dishes. When the poor one comes in, have a fish. When the poor one comes in, you shall have a bag on a hollow. You shall have a mackerel when the poor comes in. Dance to your dory by a luminati, dance to your dory by a luminati, dance to your dory by a luminati. Shall have a fish on a little dish, you shall have a fish when the poor comes in. You shall have a berry on our little dishes, you shall have a herring when the poor comes in.
So guys, it's drizzling here. So I made a quick stop to the city center to see what it looks like. I don't know what is happening here. They are locking up this pub. So to me, the city center is not bad. I think it's really big and it's spacious with so many links. I think I'm going to have one of these before I continue my journey. This is what UK street food looks like. What is this? Samosa, yeah. I would love to try 3.
Which one's done? This one.
If you want to act like a British people, eat on the street. Don't look at anybody's face. I wanted to visit Tisa University, but I cannot because of the rain. Oh, Tesla. Great car, man. So I'll give Sunderland and Middlesbrough 70%. Yeah. All right, guys, that is it from Middlesbrough. I've had enough and I've seen enough. So if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.